Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Baloyi and Brigadier Gininda ganged up on 375. Guys, that's what we're going to be talking about today. Unpacking wonke lo Satan that got us here where we are with this case. A trial ga Senzo Meyo that has no direction, nothing whatsoever. How it happened before they went to break, you thought, oh no, we are near with Ugwabini and Absalom. No, we're not. Kelly, Kumalo, her mom, Zodwa, they must come to court, those people. Mesekuzoba Longwetwala. So they were ganging up on 375 over what happened at the Kumalo house, but they went with docket 636 Loabo Amanga, the one that they manufactured and cooked when they came to lie there at court. And they went and recruited Urata naye, he's in it, who also went with these lies as a make-believe for us. Can't you know? We see right through them. Now everything is messy. How do we come out of this? Manufacturing and cooking. Ngapa or General Shedrack Sibia, they also involved because he arrived at the crime scene, this guy. But he changes his stories. He actually changed his story at ad hoc and said, I know, I came at 11. I never necessarily went. Oh, guys. What's in mind? You came at 11 at hospital. You didn't come to the crime scene. How do you know Makubo, the first police officer to come there, the one that we wanted caught again for 375? And Makubo is like, no, I'm not coming. Not anymore. I was there at trial, within a trial. Why must I come back? And I don't work for subs anymore. That's what he's saying. So I'm not sure if he's ever going to come back, actually, Makubo. When they went to DPP to speak about this case, when it was chosen, which in 636, I think at the time, General Shedrack Josephus Spear was there. He's the one who actually made that decision. And you know, the time when he came there, he was actually suspended. He's been suspended so many times, this guy. This is like second time. He's suspended even now, this guy is on suspension. He's saying, yeah, no, fire me. Because who even talks like that? Aye. So General Sibia agreed to less thing in no Brigadier Gininda Uguti. No, they were intruders at their house when they were not intruders at their house. We're not dumb. People must go to Matlanga now. So guys, I was still saying Uguti, General Sibia at the meeting with Uzungu and Gininda when they were creating their movie. All three of them, nobody obviously why corner. This is what we're gonna say when Azungu there. We are so happy with the lies they actually gonna work for us. When he brought in Ubaba Kege, Constable Zungu, or let's no Baba Ubaba came to court. You saw him, he was just like, hey, Nalomfana Anguleli Futmi Nobalo, and getting nowhere in their cooked things and their lies. He told them straight, and Urata didn't like Absalom. He was just like, Bamsa Pigelo. Who comes here and tell me ukuthi enefana ngithule in my courtroom kuyimina engitshela abantu ukuthi they must shut up. Guys, JP, I thought at the time Judge President, when he called in Rata to come and do this case, he thought of him as a good person and then as a good candidate if basically to do this job. No, Urata uhlulekile, guys, he's very disrespectful. Urata, I have no respect for Urata. I lost it 2 years ago already when it started. And it's crazy how I made such a nice video about Urata about a year and a half ago, where I said, yo, this guy used to play for Pirates. Yo, he's going to understand us as people and where we're coming from with this case, Senzo Meyo. No, he didn't even treat it like that. Maybe it's I know it's a high-profile case. No, it's not. You can't treat a high-profile case like this, guys. People were bought here. We are so clear about that. We're not allegedly saying anything. It's alleged. No. People were bought in this case. Urata, Konimala Itolayo. And it's monthly. Chances are weekly. We don't care anymore. We don't know. But mina ngayeka ukuthi allegedly Senzo Meyiwa's case. Just as much as people have been unalived, mysteriously passing away, we're just like, what is even going on? Just because people are telling the truth. No, but DJ Waras bahambile. Ngoba they were doing a better job and a proper job. Bangafuna ukuthola imali zabo ngendlela engekho right. You come and pop out there outside Carlton Center. For what? How is that even going to help you? It's not even going to make things better, you know? And it's crazy how General Sibiya is always implicated in dark things. This guy is dark. Oh my word. This is why when NIU came to his house, he wasn't even there at 3 o'clock in the morning. He wasn't even there. He was just like, hey, I wasn't even there. And my mom is sick. Mina Joseph. I'm Joseph. Abantu bangfuna. This guy is crooked. Out of top 5 who's been at Madlanga or at Hawk, number 2. Mina ngokwami. Ngiyababona koKhet Matlala and the rest. And I think General Sibiya Big 5. Just as much as that guy from Mahikeng came and said General he doesn't think there is Big 5. General Sibiya actually he is a Big 5. He is on crooked and dangerous. Ubran Mkhotsi lo abhuti waseMahikeng angathi wayikhuluma ngani. It's a Big 5. Ikhona a Big 5. Don't forget that Balu always jumps when Kelly and Longwe's names are mentioned. But Gininda keeps on saying Kelly is the mastermind, but Advocate Zandile Mshololo did ask, when is she going to be arrested then? If she's the mastermind. No, sisters. She's gone crazy again on socials. Her career is done. So now she's busy saying, oh my gosh, it's Tembu. Involved as Tembi in Benzan. What were you doing with Senzo? If wena wongeke Tembi no Senzo. Angisho Senzo dies lapha kini. Njengoba manje ungasenandaba ukuthi washona usuthona. You've moved on from this case. You don't even watch it. You don't even care. You've moved on. We haven't moved on, getting. Since that business sense of me, you are trying to get justice for him. And he will get it. It doesn't matter when. Busy la uthi ena isithembu in. Angisho uJola no Senzo shadile. Like how are you different? You actually was 10 times. I like how defense now is fighting for Mngomezulu's evidence. They're like pushing it to go to long or short. Senzo. Akanadaba futhi Mngomezulu he said it what ratha how ngempela really kakhuluma ngani. Hayi ngenandaba uMngomezulu. Because now that they're actually fearing for their lives nabo ngokwabo their security is not intact. Bayasaba ngapha uRatha basipusha ukuthi then go for mental health mangubuza akukho right manje mina nginapha uRatha the way he treated the whole situation yabantu bagwabini who were sitting there at the back. That's why I saw again ukuthi abona uRatha iqokile phiqi uRatha is two-faced like you've never seen. Angaze ngibona ubaba omdala ngayo iqoqi kanje. But we're hoping ukuthi uMakhubo someday, one day, uzovuma again to come for the docket 375, like how Gwabini and Absalom came and told us the truth for the first time. Something that never happens in that court. We just like, we salute you. Ngongesabi. Ngoba so many things uGininda zama go Absalom. I'll take you overseas. Also Absalom ngingane mina. Uzongisa overseas. I love how Absalom was going on in that court. He's a very strong man for me. Absalom is just like, I don't care. And he did say, I'm taking him to Newcastle police station to open a case for him. And if something happens to me, so basically, guys, it's in a sifuna ukeli, sifuna abantu ababesendlini, guys, we are tired of the lies. Umthoko they must come back. Ukuthi bathole imali go Netflix asingeni nowhere lapho. Because bathi umthoko ubesho usifiso meyi ukuthi umthoko mesedakwe kahle. And usifuna was still drinking. Masihleli uzosho things like, hey, ulongwe. They know exactly what happened on that day. But bahamba bayakhokhela imali Netflix is some lies that of that documentary that was done at Netflix. No, guys. Can we just get the truth about Senzo Meyiwa when the year begins? We are at our 11th year with this case. We can't solve this case. We cannot get ubulungiswa or justice for Senzo Meyiwa for that matter. Why? Ngoba enze ini lengaka and the mother used to cry. Aphakamise izandla beke ekhanda athi ngenzeni uSenzo Meyiwa yena wenzani. No, the Meyiwas deserve justice. The fact that uqale ngamadlanga wagijimisa amadlanga phambili waletho okhethi mahlala igebengu kade zivele zikhona iSenzo Meyiwa case yona yenziwani, and everyone is calling for that. And uRata must come back. Mdala lo baba una 8 actually when he comes back in Jan. Zoyingima lapho guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel guys. Please subscribe and like my videos. There's also membership these days. Now I'm trying so hard to bring the videos. Please join their membership. It's like 19 rands now. I think there's a 14 rands one as well. Yeah, if I remember very well. Thank you so much guys. Over.